Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunsola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. Today's video should be very interesting for everyone. So are you a professional within any industry? Are you an entrepreneur within any sector? Are you a student from any university anywhere in the world? This video should be very useful for you because today I talk about the topic 7 traits of a great leader. Now, who is a great leader? A great leader is an effective leader, that is a leader that does the right things. A great leader is an efficient leader, that is a leader that does things right. Now, before I go on to talk about the 7 traits of a great leader, I have a question for you. Are you a great leader? Are you an effective leader? To answer this question, let's define leadership. Leadership can be defined as the ability to inspire, to influence, to motivate, and encourage others for them to achieve and accomplish their set goals. Now, who are the others that I talk about there? The others could be your employees at work if you are a manager, could be your team leaders if you are team members, rather, if you are a team leader. These others could be colleagues as well. And if you are a teacher, these others could be your students as well. So now that we know what leadership is about, I ask the question again, are you an effective leader? Are you a great leader? Now, let's talk about the 7 traits of a great leader. A great leader always radiates positive energy. A great leader is passionate about their cause or ideas. A great leader has the will to succeed. And this rubs off on the team members. And therefore, the team members have high morale, they are motivated, and of course, this leads to productivity. So that was trait number 1 of a great leader. They radiate positive energy, they are always passionate, they have the will to succeed, and they boost the morale of their team members. Trait number 2 of a great leader. Great leaders are always proactive. They have a proactive attitude. They think ahead, they plan ahead. They don't wait for the problem to happen before they start running around looking for a solution. When the problem happens, they just look at the options of solutions that they already have available and make use of the relevant solution. So great leaders are proactive and they think ahead. If you are proactive, if you think ahead, you are a great leader, you are an effective leader. Let's go to trait number 3. Great leaders delegate tasks. Great leaders are aware that they cannot be jack of all trade and master of none. They know that they don't have the expertise for everything, and therefore they are able to put together a team of experts and delegate tasks accordingly. By accordingly, I mean they delegate the right tasks, the relevant tasks, the appropriate tasks to the appropriate team member who has the expertise to execute that task. And when they do that, they are able to concentrate on more important task that needs to be done. So that was trait number 3. Trait number 4, great leaders are approachable. That's another trait of a great leader. They are approachable. The employees, the team members, the followers can always get in touch with them and communicate their ideas. So when you are a great leader, make sure that there is no barrier or unnecessary bureaucracy between your followers and yourself. Yeah? Ensure that your followers, your team members, the people that you lead, ensure that they can actually get in touch with you and communicate with you directly. Also, this means that great leaders encourage feedback. And when great leaders get feedback, they make use of this feedback. Okay, so they receive feedback and make use of this feedback, and also they give feedback to their followers as well. Trait number 5 of a great leader. Great leaders do what they expect of others. That is, they lead by example. Yeah, They don't preach something and do the other thing. That's not a great leader. A great leader leads by example. They do exactly what they expect of others. And because of this, they gain high respect from their team members. Let's talk about trait number 6 of a great leader. Great leaders are accountable. When things go wrong, great leaders or effective leaders do not blame it on someone else. They accept the accountability of what has gone wrong, and then what do? They try to find a solution to make things go right. So great leaders are accountable. And the very last trait of a great leader, which is trait number 7, is that great leaders are decisive. So when you are a great leader, you are decisive, you are able to make decisions. Actually, you are confident in making the right decision for your team. That was the 7 traits of a great or an effective leader. I hope this will help some industry professional out there. I hope this will help some entrepreneur out there. And I hope that this will help some university student or even perhaps college student out there. And then you can indeed become a great leader. Thank you. As you know, we'd like to hear from you at iDPS Consult Netherlands. Please visit our website www.idpsconsults.com or send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com and let's know how we can serve you better. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up on YouTube and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see whenever we have a new video. Remember, at iDPS Consult Netherlands, we exist to educate the world, and we exist to diagnose business problems from the root causes and proffer solutions. Of course, you know I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is that Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing all you can to ensure African unity, and keep doing all you can to promote the development of the African continent. Africa must develop. This is where it ends today. Therefore, in English language, I say thank you very much. Dutch language, I say dank you well. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I say ẹ ṣé o. Bye.